Most people do product research the wrong way, and I can't blame you. These gurus are teaching you how to do that. They also tend to share winning products to test. Now, I'm not stopping you to test those, but I do advise to take it a deeper level so that you guys can validate the product before you even test it. After you watch this video, I can 100% assure you that you guys will be saving a lot of money, time, and effort. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my product research method into finding up to 7 to 8 figure products that you can build as a long-term branded dropshipping store. If you don't know who I am, my name is Jandy Cerezo. I am an 8-figure e-commerce owner. I've even showed you guys full transparency of one of our stores that we scaled up to 7 figures. If you haven't watched that, make sure you watch that after this video. There are 3 product research criteria that I'm going to be covering today, and these criteria are a must. You must tick all of the boxes for these before you even consider testing this product. The first one is it brandable? Meaning, are you able to brand this for long term so that you can create a dropshipping store for more than 2 years? Most dropshipping products that you see out there are scaled within 1 to 2 months, and they think that, oh, my product is dying because they're not as profitable anymore. The reason for that is because they're not thinking long term. Now, you have to look at a product and you have to say, okay, is this something that I can private label, get it manufactured in China in the future, and also create a bigger profit margin by branding the product? The second thing that I look at is, can we differentiate ourselves from other competitors? There are a few ways to do that. The first one is, can we do a bundle with a particular product? Can we do a different variant of the product? You can even do different colors or different sizes. So you have to differentiate yourself from other competitors so that you can beat them once you start marketing. And the third thing that I look at is, there enough profit margin for that product when I do sell it? You have to understand the perceived value of the product. I like to have at least $25 USD of profit margin, because I know after spending millions and millions of dollars with advertising that $25 CPA is the minimum profit that you would want, unless of course if you're selling a very, very low ticket product, which could work as well, but I do not recommend it because most of those products are not brandable anyway. Now, with the product research methods, there's free ones and also paid ones. We're going to be covering both sides. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and look at the free ones. So the main free product research methods that you're going to be seeing out there are looking at Facebook ads, just scrolling through your Facebook feed. Second thing is going to Amazon and looking at movers and shakers. I actually do recommend this. There are a lot of good products out there on Amazon. So if you just type in Amazon movers and shakers on Google, what that means is that those products that is showing out there, they are trending upwards in terms of sales in the last few hours or even days. Now, the third free product research method that I look is just going on TikTok. Now, you guys have probably seen it from other YouTubers. They will talk about, okay, the best Amazon finds, or TikTok made me buy this. So all of those are free methods as well, and they can be good, as well as looking at Google Trend as one of your product research methods. My top favorite is actually going to AliExpress and start looking at different products there. I'm going to be jumping on my computer so I can show you guys this free product research method on AliExpress. So here on AliExpress, if we kind of just scroll down, they are very optimized to what products are trending right now. So you can see already from the homepage that there's potential winning products in here. For example, this one I have seen around. So we're gonna open a few products in here, and then we're gonna decide later on if we like it or not once we start validating the product. We're gonna open up anything that we see that might be potential based on our product research criteria that we talked about in the past. So just scrolling down here. Okay, so this one's good as well. We'll keep scrolling down, see if there's any products that we think might be good as well. There we got about 3 products, and then we'll open up that one. All right. Ooh, that's an interesting product. I quite like this one. Okay. So we have 5 potential winning products already, which is pretty awesome. So actually, once you start clicking on different products on AliExpress, it's gonna start showing you different winning products on the suggested products as well. If you scroll down on one of the product page that they have that you open, it's gonna start showing you different winning products as well. So you can see in here, there's different products that can potentially be good as well. If you've been doing product research for a while, you will know that most of these are already winning products, right? So we're gonna first analyze this product that we opened up. What I tend to look at, first of all, are the reviews and how many sold. Based on the reviews, you want to have at least 4.7 rating or above. That identifies that the product is high quality and it's got good shipping time. So that ticks the box there. This is also potentially can be branded in the future. You can put your logo on the product as well as the packaging. We'll look at the other ones as well. So this one, it's got good reviews, right? Good amount sold. What I don't like about this is not as good as the other one because it's very limited to how you can brand this particular product. And you can start thinking about who you are marketing it to. If you want to scale really quickly, then you're gonna have to understand different marketing angles. For example, for the one that we saw before, we are looking at the woman demographic, which is really good. And this one is quite general. And this might be good for Facebook, but might not be good for TikTok, right? So I like the other one better, so I'm gonna close this one. Now this one's really good as well. This 4.7, it fits our criteria. Can this be branded so and so? Does it have enough profit margin? We could potentially sell this for $30, which is pretty good as well. So this could be potential, right? Again, I still like this better because we can sell it on TikTok as well as Facebook, and it has that viral factor to it, as well as this one. But you're gonna have to think about how you can create a branded store for this one as well. So that can be potential. We won't close that one. This one doesn't fit our product research criteria because it's under 4.7, as well as can it be branded? Maybe, perhaps, but most likely not. The reviews and amount sold is pretty good though. Now this one looks pretty interesting. It's got that wow factor to it, and you can potentially create a good branded store for this one. You have good packaging and also good UGCs. You can tie those together and create a very high converting store and potentially really good. I'm actually gonna save this one and potentially test this in the future. But you can see already within 10 minutes, we already saw 3 potential winning products. I'm gonna show you guys my paid app that helps me find winning products that can be scaled up to 7 figures, which can also be branded in the future. So you guys probably have seen this paid product research tool already. It is called Minia, and I just completely love this product. Now, if you're interested, I do have an affiliate with them, so click the link below if you want to sign up to them. But I'm gonna first show you guys how powerful it is. The first thing I look at in here is actually if we just go to our business plan and then click winning products. First of all, you are going to see different winning products in here from the get-go. And you can also change filters so that it fits your needs. What I typically do is I look at the last 7 days and I change this, right? This is how much it has been sold in the last 7 days. So let's say 50, nope, we're gonna go 100 to 2K. So this is saying that, okay, let's have a look at stores that have scaled their store from $100 to 2K in the last 7 days. This also indicates that this product is still catching the wave. And that's what you want to start looking at, because if you can catch the wave with them, you're going to start selling trendy products. And this is by far the easiest way for you guys to scale from 0 to 10K in less than a week. So we can scroll down in here, potentially this one, quick dry brush, right? That one's really good. We're just gonna open that one up, scroll down even further. You know what? We can actually sort this by sales in the last 7 days. Then if we just scroll down here, we may potentially see more potential winning products. So here we've got that hair removal that is very brandable, which is what we like to see. We also like this one. It's a winter dog soft jacket, essentially good for pets. And then this one as well. So based on this, within 2 minutes, actually, we've already found like potential winning products, and you don't have to do a lot of validation because Minia shows you how many estimated sales in the last few days already. You can even see what ads they're running, which shop is running this store, which is pretty awesome. So these are all brandable that we picked, right? But this one's really good. I think about $500 per day since 18th of May, which is last week. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but you know, they are making some decent numbers in here. You can also click creatives from products. So Sometimes it does show which creatives are showing, sometimes it does not, but you can always go click see the product, and then you can pretty much copy, not fully copy their content, but do your own landing page based on this winning product in here already. You can see how powerful it is. What I like to do here as well is go to TikTok ads. We can spy different creatives in here, and if we just scroll down here, we can change this to Shopify. We can even do drop shipping, and then if we click advanced, we want to go likes and analyze trending creatives, right, in the last 7 days. So that's what we want to see. Now we want to sort this by, say, comments. That's what we want. Potentially this one's slushy, right? We just scroll down, see if we can find other winning products in here. This is potentially a winning product, right? This can also be potentially a winning product. The wig, right? So you can already see the creatives in here, the winning creatives, and what you can do then is base your marketing angles from these kind of winning creatives. I quite like this one, so we're gonna be saving this.
Bristle trimmer, micro brushes, trim your split ends.
Right, it's trimming the split ends. That is huge. That's a big marketing angle in there. Now, what we're gonna be doing next is that we're gonna be analyzing these products all along. Now, if you have the budget to test multiple products, why not? But most of you guys will probably be only to test 1 to 2 products per week. So really do your due diligence. Now, what we're going to be looking at here is we're going to be analyzing if we have enough profit margin in here. So with this one, 60, they're selling it for $60. We're going to search split end trimmer, which is this one, right? $18. A good amount sold. One looks like a better supplier, right? So let's say $17. Now they're selling it for $60. That is $40 or $30 profit margin. That is huge right there. You guys can test this particular product here. It's really good. It's got a good hook, good angles. You guys can even see the perceived value is pretty high. So 100% you guys can test this product, right? Now in under 15 to 20 minutes, we found multiple winning products. Now once you have a list of products that you want to test, let's take it a deeper level and really analyze if it's something worth to test. First of all, we're gonna look at suppliers and reviews. We're gonna look at this one first. Let's say we're gonna be testing these 2 products, right? So we're gonna open this one up. Okay, so we got 2 potential winning products that we're gonna be testing. Now let's just pretend that we found this particular product as a free product research method. So we just type it in here on TikTok, split end trimmer, and you can already see this is how you validate products, right? You can see there's different creatives in here and people are talking about this. You can grab some of the clips in here and create your own creatives based on some winning creatives in here. Look at the views in here as well. Analyze why that is going viral and base your creatives on that. That is a good sign now that this product has good potential to be scaled. So here on Amazon, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna type in the same thing. We're gonna see if it's getting sold on Amazon. That's a good sign as well. Let's have a look at different types of variants in here as well. See if we can do bundling as well. Amazon is really good showing what kind of products can be bundled together. So for example, if we just click one here, just scroll down and see if there's products that we can bundle it with. And we also want to check reviews, right? If the reviews are good, then okay, we'll potentially be able to test it. People are branding it on Amazon, which is a good sign already, but I'm not sold with the 3.9 stars review. With Amazon, you want at least 4.5 stars. So we're gonna have a look at the other one that we checked, which is neck facial lifting device. So now again, we're gonna go to TikTok and paste that in. Okay, see, look, people are doing some good numbers on here as well. So this one's on almost 2 million views, right? And people are talking about this. There's heaps of UGCs that you guys can get off at TikTok as well. Now we're gonna go on Amazon and do the same thing. We're seeing different variants in here, such as this one. This one's quite different as well. This one looks more professional than the one that we saw. So again, if you can differentiate yourselves from different competitors, then you are going to be better than them, which means you should be able to create better angles, provide better quality products, and also potentially branding the product in the future. So these are the kind of validations that we look at. We can pre-test the product even before we spend money on it. So with this video, we found multiple products. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Now I'm going to be creating the best e-commerce community group on Discord. So if you want to join that, I will provide it in the comments below. Go ahead and join that, and I'll see you guys there.